Greetings, technology enthusiasts. I am Chandrahas and I am delighted to be here with you representing CyberBrainer. Do you not believe that the technology sector is advancing at an unprecedented rate, making this an opportune moment to acquire the skills that will facilitate your progress? With CyberBrainer, we are empowering you to take control of your own future. At CyberBrainer, we do not merely impart your interests. We assert that information is power, yet it is the application of knowledge that distinguishes you. Our courses are meant to equip you with essential skills, whether you are pursuing data science, understanding artificial intelligence, or delving into cybersecurity. Let us commence the session and seize the future today. Thank you.
Today we are going to start the reporting model. In this reporting model, first we need to understand what is the reports and why we need to do need and report it. Before we are going to start this, I would like you to understand that report makeover would be available for each and every scenario and every topic. Whatever we did far from functional to tailed integration, EIBI concepts. How to pull the reports if people have been aware about it. Now we are going to do the report makeover according to our functional and integration and EBI concepts, related activities related to what are all the activities we are going to conduct in the organizations. First, we are going to understand what the report needs. You need to understand, according to your organization, checklist of activity. You need to go to your organization of your live organization. You need to understand what are all reports they need to maintain related to Workday HCM techno-functional. You need to collide that active report checklist from your team leader. Then you need to start makeover your create reportings from there. First, we need to start with how to create a simple report according to the entire organization. To make over this activity, we need to go to the software creating a simple report in Workday. To doing this activity, we need to go to the software directly. You need to go to the search bar and enter create a report. Under this you will get two reports. One would be a create a report designing configuration, create a report group. We need to go for the first create a report designing configuration. Have a tap on this option. You need to create your report from here. What are all things you require in this report? Before I'm going to create this report is automatically shows you payroll checks, but this will be not reflected in your live tenant. It will be reflected as whatever the name it was going to mention, same it is going to be reflected. But here I'm going to mention the report would be it. I be my organization and daily report I mentioned here. And coming to the below, have a tap on to the add. I'm going to mention the order. Order would be it. IBM and name would be it. I'm going to getting here my client's name. I'm coming to the below here. I'm going to mention same IBM. Number of columns you required it. I'm just mentioning number of columns would be it 10 meme%. Are you going to creating a report related to the values or are you going to the related to the data? If it is in data, you can sell it as a mem. If you're going to use any values, you need to sell it as a percentage. Now I'm going to sell it meme. Have it happen to the column format style. You will get the column format style under the same action. Horizontal alignment in the Excel. I'm going to select here angle in the horizontal line. In the sense I'm going to giving an overview of the Excel. Have a tap onto that. Do not enable overrated font sizes out there. Come down on below. Tap onto the plus mark. Enter your fields. Fields in the sense you need to select your work within the organization. What are all departments? What are all rows you wanted to make over your overall report? I'm going to mentioning here since it has been by defaultly selected. Hasn't payroll checks. It will reflecting all the payroll related activities on here. But you will get in your live data to change that option to make over to select and work the HCM organization reports or individual reports or group reports. You will get in 3 formats over there. In that you need to select your format. Now I'm going to select few of the details here. One would be at company name and plus mark again. Other one would be at currency ID and third one again. Pay name. Fourth one. I'm going to select here payment date. Post selecting all these activities. Field formatting style. You can have a selected of your field formatting style according to your needs. Position drop. You can mention 1 and left of position 1. That means the straight columns and row columns and left columns positions. It was asking you to put it across to that. Post that. Have a tap on to the done. Like that. You need to fill all these 4 formats. Post completing this. If you want to add any more columns, you can keep adding the extra pages from here. Tapping onto that and you will get same cycle. And you need to follow the same cycle process to add for the other pages also related to that. Post completing this, you can have a tap to and immediately you will get your row of Excel format sheets on here. In this you can have an export your overall file from here. Have a download it. It's loading. Download and post that. Have export the files from here. Download it. You downloaded both the files. Post completing this. You can have a tap on to the done and open up these files. Create your own columns from here and activate it. whatever the data measurements you want to put it across to here. You can fill the data for a test sample. I'm going to show you. Front-end UL, back-end UL. This is the just first sample I just mentioned. But usually this will depend on your organization. The rows and data you need to measure according to your organization needs. Maybe you may get extra columns on this. You need to collect those data from your organization. And you need to make code according to their needs. Post that. Fill your data. Attach it to the drive and send it to your work. Hire authority of teams and send it to your cloud team, also through Drive. Post completing this activity, save and share it to accordingly to your database of your team members. Let's go on to the advanced report. This is how you need to create a simple Workday report. And let's do the advanced report. To creating an advanced report, we need to create an advanced report, we need to go to the software, the advanced report. You will get an option called advanced reports on here. Have a tap on this. We receive the advanced reports on here. In this we will get an who are all the persons who has been created previously, the advanced reports. Those related status Logan, Stephen, Oliver, Max Villains. Mirror country. You will get all those details on here. His first name and last name, gender, and which compensation rate they was created. You will get those related reports under the advanced, but you need to go to the 3 action dots on here. To create an advanced report newly, in this, you need to go to the custom report. Under the custom report, you need to tap on to the maintain and Excel templates. Go there. On here, you need to make all your advanced reports on here. First, I'll make all the list of employees details. Then I'll explain you why. What is the purpose of using this advanced reports in the Workday? Then I'll convert into the graph this. Please look into this. First is serial number. Next one is OB, lobby in the sense branch. Whereas the branch is located Hyderabad. Organization is IBM. Client is iPhone iOS. And department is operations. This is the agent names. Along with that, I need to enter the employees also. I forgot it was that. Next to that, I can see the team lead name and manager name. This is the data URLs. Whatever the project they did from the operations, those project related URLs and links. And here the percentage level of the each and every individual employee reached on here. Have a select of Control A. Go to the instance and have a tap onto the graph. First go to the filterization serial numbers. Organization. Percentages. Employee name. This is how I just make over the report just to show you people on temporary. I given individually what is the percentage level. Employees has been achieved. This I'll just mention here. Advanced performance reports of the employees, and this is call it as a report tax of the employee. And now I'm going to save this file. The desktop at your employee index. I hope you people understand this graph post completing this activity. Come to your software, mention your comment. Body of the email. Go to the attachment. Select your file and your employee index. Change of your advanced report worksheet name would be it. Have it up to. You've been successfully uploaded to the cloud servers directly. Here is your Excel file. You can have it tap to click and immediately it's going to be downloaded. Open. Whatever the process you have been saved here, you can able to see the complete process along with advanced graph. View has been. This is all you need to make over it. Post that tab to the tab. Come to the main menu. This is how we need to make all the advances report as an individual department, guys. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel.